How to remove Passkey from WhatsApp. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easily you can remove a Passkey from your WhatsApp account. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, launch your WhatsApp application from your device. Then get logged into your WhatsApp account number. Now at this page, you will also see a three-dot icon on your top right-hand side. Tap onto it, then tap Settings. In here, you will also see an option that says Account at the very first menu. Tap it. And at the second menu, you will see Passkeys. Open it. And if you have any passkey here, you will be able to see this Delete button. You have to tap on Delete and confirm the deletion, and that way you can easily remove it. Also be noted, the passkey removing is permanent and the action cannot be undone. So before deleting your passkey, make sure that you are very sure about deleting it. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and we will catch you up in our next upload.